One night in '86, she shook me awake. Eyes wide, she whispered, there's a choice you'll make. I saw you working in a faraway land, big fridge company under desert sands. I laughed and said, you're dreaming wild tonight. Go back to sleep, everything's alright. But dreams have a way of planting a seed, unfolding in time like destiny's lead. From a dream to reality, across the sea, a world so strange was calling me. She saw it first like a spark in the dark, and 7 years later we made our mark. San Francisco sky searching for meaning, a city of gold, yet nothing redeeming. She opened the paper, saw the ad on the page, refrigerators in the desert, it's a brand new stage. 3 interviews and 1,000 goodbyes, Massachusetts to DC chasing the prize. The vacuum tubes company was my new frontier. Her dream's reflection had brought us here. From a dream to reality, across the sea, a world so strange was calling me. She saw it first like a spark in the dark, and 7 years later we made our mark. Through the fog, her midnight sun would guide the way, would prove so right. From whispers at dawn to a Saudi sun, our journey began with what she'd begun. So here's to the dreams that others might see, to the ones who believe what's hard to believe. A crazy idea, a leap of faith, brought us to a place we couldn't escape. From a dream to reality, across the sea, a world so strange was calling me. She saw it first like a spark in the dark, and 7 years later we made our mark.